In this video, we'll walk through the complete guide to technical analysis in CitedSpy. Start by navigating to your CitedSpy dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Technical. Technical analysis refers to evaluating the underlying code, structure, and performance of your website. It ensures that AI models and search engines can efficiently crawl, read, and understand your content. To start finding these issues, click the Run Site Audit button. CitedSpy will begin crawling your website instantly. Depending on the size of your site, this process may take a few moments to complete. Once the crawl is finished, the dashboard generates a detailed report outlining your SEO recommendations. This report includes AI Readiness Score, measuring how easily AI search engines can index your content. Pages needing fix, SEO recommendations, highlighting specific URLs that have technical errors or missing optimizations. To act on these recommendations, simply click on any flagged issue to view a comprehensive technical breakdown. CitedSpy automatically turns each failing check into a clear, step-by-step fix. By following these actionable instructions, you can resolve technical errors on your pages and significantly improve your overall AI visibility. And that's how you run and analyze a technical audit in CitedSpy. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to the channel for more product guides and tutorials.